A very pleasant good morning, children. I'm going to take the third unit for you, poem. The name of the poem is I'm Every Woman, written by Rakhi Narayani Shirk. A little bit about the author. She was a teacher who worked in Ryan International School. She has a passion for writing poems. She is a postgraduate with a bachelor's degree in education. At present, she lives in Mumbai. She speaks about the qualities of women here. She says that women are very brave. Okay, in spite of all the difficulties, they are very brave and they overcome all the difficulties and they have a lot of pride and self-respect. Coming to the poem, this is a memory poem for you, so you have to memorize it. Okay. A woman is beauty innate. Innate means inborn. A symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She's real. She's not fake. Okay. She says that every woman is inborn beauty. She is a symbol of power and strength. அதாவது விமனுக்கு வந்து நிறைய பவர் நிறைய ஸ்ட்ரென்த் இருக்கு அப்படின்றாங்க. And she puts her life at stake na at risk. Okay. And she's real. She is true in expressing her love. And she's not fake. That means she's not false. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones 1 year. She is the woman, she has no fear. Okay, so she says that women are very optimistic in that approach. Okay, she says the spring will come again and she finds a ray of hope. அதாவது அவங்களுக்கு நம்பிக்கை இருக்கு, என்ன இருந்தாலும் வந்து வாழ்க்கையில் ஒரு நம்பிக்கையோட வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருப்பாங்க. And she continues to care for her near and dear ones. Okay, அவங்களோட சொந்த பந்தங்களுக்கெல்லாம் ரொம்ப கேர் பண்ணுவாங்க. And she is the woman and she is not doesn't have any fear. அது எதுக்குமே பயப்பட மாட்டாங்க. Strong is she in her faith and beliefs. Persistence is the key to everything, says she. Despite the sighs and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. So she says that women are very strong in their faith. They have a lot of belief and they have a lot of determination. தன்னம்பிக்கையோட வாழ்வாங்க. Okay, and in spite of the complaints, அவங்களுக்கு எந்த பிரச்சனை வந்தாலும் அவங்க beliefல strengthல வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருப்பாங்க. She is a lioness, don't mess with her. She'll not spare you if you are a prankster. Don't ever try to sow her self-respect. She knows how to saw you, so beware. Okay, so அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, she is a ferocious lion. அவங்கள வந்து டீஸ் பண்ணாதீங்க. Okay, and she is very mischievous and we would never try to bring disgrace to her pride. Okay, அவங்களுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப கௌரவமோட வாழ்வாங்க. And if நீங்கள் வந்து ஏதாவது அவங்க வந்து அவ்வளோ ஜோக் அடிக்கிறாங்க இல்லை அவங்கள ஏதாவது கிண்டல் பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா அவங்கள வந்து உங்களை விட மாட்டாங்க. She is today's woman dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. Okay, so she is saying that today's woman, she is full of bravery and you have to respect her and love her. She should be kept as a dignified person. Okay, children, so you have to memorize a poem. For your homework, you will learn the first 3 stanzas. No matter how long you take, maybe you can take even 1 hour or 2 hours to learn your stanzas, first, second and third stanza, and you will write it without seeing and you will send it to me. Okay, children, that is your homework. Thank you.